Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another daily work from home job lead. As always, the links if you want to apply are in the YouTube description box, and feel free to always leave anything specific in the comments that you are looking for. Today's job lead is from the company Paycor. Now, they are hiring a tax specialist. This is remote work from home. This is within the United States only. Tax time is upon us, and Paycor is looking for someone to assist with preparation and filing of tax returns. You will be updating client information, including account numbers, changes, and similar data to the tax accounts. You'll process daily tax work for active and lost clients. You'll resolve any client questions, expediting with a high level of service, and communicating with them regularly about their tax activity. You'll also follow up on any tax issues to assure problems have been resolved, and you will process any tax adjustments. Now, this job does not require any kind of college degree. It does require 1 year prior accounting, business, or Paycor experience is preferred, but not actually required. They want someone who has 2 years of payroll or tax experience, someone who is detail-oriented, strong organizational skills, great problem-solving skills. You need to be a team player and be able to work in a fast-paced environment. Of course, you need to have great verbal and written communication skills, and you need to know how to use Microsoft Office, Outlook, Excel, Word, all of those things. If that sounds like you, they do pay decent. Pay is always dependent on your skills and location, but pay for this position is anywhere from $17.65 an hour all the way up to $28.26 an hour. And of course, they also offer benefits, including 401k, paid time off, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anything I share is helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, as that gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful someone. And remember, sharing is always caring. So if you find them helpful, share with your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.